In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price color in Shopify Dawn theme. We'll make a small, safe CSS tweak so you can quickly adjust how product prices look across your store. This works for the Dawn theme, and I'll show you exactly where to paste a ready-to-use snippet, plus a tip if you only want to target certain prices. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left, go to Online Store, then Themes. Next to your live theme, click Actions and choose Edit Code. A quick tip before you edit any files. Consider duplicating your theme so you have a backup to revert to if needed. In the code editor, look at the left sidebar under Assets. Dawn usually stores pricing styles in either assetsbase.cs or assetscomponentprice.css, depending on your version. If you see both, base.css is the commonplace. If you only see componentprice.css, open that instead. You can use the search bar in the file list to quickly find them. Once the file is open, scroll to the very bottom and paste the following CSS. This targets the regular price on product pages and collection pages, and also lets you style sale prices. Change regular product price on product and collection pages. Price. Price item. Color. Important. Replace with your desired color code. Optional. Change sale. Discounted price color. Price item. Price item. Sale. Price item. Price item. Sale. Price item. Last. Color. HF. Important. E.g. Red for sale price. Replace the hex codes with the colors you want. The important flag ensures your color overrides the theme defaults. If you already have customizations, keeping important helps avoid conflicts. Click Save. In the top right, then preview your store. Visit a product page and a collection page to confirm the price color has changed. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or try a private window to bypass caching. If you want to change only specific price elements, such as just the regular price on collection cards and not product pages, use a more specific selector. For example, paste this snippet instead of, or in addition to, the first rule. Card information. Price, regular. Color, size important. That targets the regular price on collection items without affecting the rest. Adjust the color value as needed. And that's it. With a quick CSS addition in the correct style sheet, you can control how prices appear across Dawn. Save your changes, preview carefully, and fine-tune the selectors if you want more targeted styling.